Henan Wadley CNC Machinery Company Limited focus on one-stop service solutions for roll forming machine, tapping machine, CNC machine tool, and metal forming equipment. Our company locates in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. We can offer different machine and service for customer. Main product, color steel forming machine, CZ purlin machine, light keel roll forming machine, and other cold roll forming machines. We have various kinds of machine to meet customers' increasing demand. Our different types machine are easy to operate and have high efficiency, which have leading position both at China and abroad. Our products have exported to Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Chile, Peru, Russia, Brazil, Canada, Nigeria, India, and over 100 countries. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. Our workshop equipped with gantry machine center, CNC lathe, VMC center, gantry milling machine, drilling machine, shearing machine, and other machine tools. These strong processing ability will make sure all our products offer 1-year warranty. Sales team have abundant experience in international trade, can offer pre-sale, on-sale, and after-sale service, will assist customer finish all trade steps such as booking, ship, delivery, insurance, custom clearance, and so on. Our R&D department provides strong technical support and accept OEM, ODM products. We always insist on the service aim, quality first, credit first. Wadley welcome to all over world customer visit our company and have a cooperation.